If you're considering selling collaboration solutions, Cisco has a long and proven history as total IT solutions experts, from networking to data center to security and collaboration. In fact, their Webex line of products for remote conferencing is secured and backed by the research and development of Cisco Security. Cisco endpoint devices were specifically designed with Webex software in mind to integrate and operate more powerfully for their intended purpose. As a distribution partner, SYNNEX Comstor is here to help you sell. And we created the Edge Partner Progression Program to address your steps to success. Under the Edge Collaboration Program, we'll help you chart a path and get Cisco certified and authorized to sell Webex, whatever other collaboration products you are interested in. We also have other support teams such as our account managers and our technical sales engineers and service teams, which are basically an extension of your own company. My name is Gavin Critchlow, and I'm the Product Business Manager at SYNNEX Comstor, overseeing Cisco Collaboration.